word biology has been derived from A. English, B. Greek, C. Italian, D. French. Correct answer is Greek. Science is the study that includes A. Observation, B. Experiments, C. Both A and B, D. None of these. Correct answer is C. Scientific study of living organisms is called A. Biotechnology, B. Chemistry, C. Biology, D. Geology. Correct answer is biology. The study of internal structure is called A. Morphology, B. Physiology, C. Anatomy, D. Cell biology. Correct answer is anatomy. The study of tissues is called A. Anatomy, B. Histology, C. Physiology, D. Entomology. Correct answer is histology. The study of fossils is called A. Physiology, B. Paleontology, C. Morphology, D. Embryology. Correct answer is paleontology. The study of the development of the embryo into a new individual is called A. Histology, B. Genetics, C. Environmental biology, D. Embryology. Correct answer is embryology. The study of inheritance is called A. Embryology, B. Genetics, C. Zoology, D. Physiology. Correct answer is genetics. The study of genes and their role in inheritance is called A. Histology, B. Anatomy, C. Genetics, D. Inheritance. Correct answer is genetics. The art of gardening. A. Agriculture, B. Bioeconomics, C. Biometry, D. Horticulture. Correct answer is horticulture. Study of living organism from economic point of view is called A. Agriculture, B. Bioeconomics, C. Biometry, D. Horticulture. Correct answer is bioeconomics. The latest profession in the field of biology is A. Farming, B. Agriculture, C. Biotechnology, D. Fisheries. Correct answer is biotechnology. Book written by Abu Ali Sina. A. Al-Nabtat, B. Al-Wahush, C. Al-Qanun File-Tib, D. None of these. Correct answer is C. The name of writer of Al-Qanun File-Tib is A. Abu Ali Sina, B. Al-Jahiz, C. Abu Usman, D. Aristotle. Correct answer is Abu Ali Sina. Al-Nabtat and Al-Haywan are written by A. Abu Ali Sina, B. Jaber bin Hayyan, C. Abdul Malik Asma, D. Al-Khurjimi. Correct answer is Jaber bin Hayyan. The founder of medicine is A. Jaber bin Hayyan, B. Abdul Malik, C. Abu Ali Sina, D. Al-Biruni. Correct answer is Abu Ali Sina. The famous book Al-Abil is written by A. Jaber bin Hayyan, B. Abdul Malik Asma, C. Darwin, D. Abu Ali Sina. Correct answer is Abdul Malik Asma. Who is considered the first Muslim scientist that studied animals in detail? A. Jaber bin Hayyan, B. Abdul Malik Asma, C. Ibn Rushd, D. Al-Khwarizmi. Correct answer is Abdul Malik Asma. Abdul Malik Asma famous writing Al-Khil, meaning A. Camel, B. Horse, C. Animal, D. Plant. Correct answer is horse. Total number of elements that occur in nature. A. 90. B. 92. C. 80. D. 88. Correct answer is 92. Percentage composition of water in protoplasm of all living things. Correct answer is B. 60 to 70%. How many percentages of oxygen are in the protoplasm of living organisms? Correct answer is 65%. Which one of the following is macromolecule? A. Glucose. B. Water. C. Hydrogen. D. Starch. Correct answer is starch. Which of the following is a micromolecule? A. Starch. B. Protein. C. Lipid. D. Glucose. Correct answer is glucose. Which of the following is considered the basic unit of life? A. Cell. B. Tissue. C. Organ. D. Organism. Correct answer is cell. The area of the environment in which organism lives are called. Correct answer is habitat. Out of 92 naturally occurring elements, how many are considered bioelement? Correct answer is 16. Group of organisms of the same species located at the same place at the same time called. Correct answer is population. What is true about volvox? A. Unicellular eukaryote. B. Multicellular eukaryote. C. Unicellular prokaryote. D. Colonial eukaryote. Correct answer is colonial eukaryote. The scientific name Brassica campestris is for the plant. A. Mango. B. Mustard. C. Apple. D. Melon. Correct answer is mustard. What is the scientific name of the mustard plant? Correct answer is Brassica campestris. Types of tissues present in frog. Correct answer is all of these. What is the scientific name of frog? Correct answer is Rana tigrina.